and scholars and friendly knights everywhere, Tac Nerd here at the range. Thought I would do a little bit more review on these new 15-round magazines for the Glock 44. Did just get a brief test in for them before. A couple weeks ago I posted that on my page. Go ahead and check that one out. But I wanted to do a little bit more of a comprehensive review. So we can't do really too much rapid fire here, but I'll try to empty some mags. We've got 15 rounds, and these are just CCI mini mags. Someone complained last time that I was using sort of not great ammo, some Arms Corps stuff. But if you think about it, that's probably the type of ammo you would want to use to test out a pistol with to see if it still functions. But nonetheless, we do have some mini mags here. We'll see how that does, and then we'll go ahead and drop it from standard operational height to see how the magazine itself holds up. All right, hitting a little high, but that's probably just me. I think you might be able to see it was throwing those all over the place pretty wide. But let's go ahead and try our drop test. All right, folks, I'm going to let you go ahead and watch me load this up just so you can see. Now, I still am using the plungers. Get these rounds to hit a little lower. All right, still grouping them a bit high. Dropping again. Still looking like we're doing pretty good. Functioning okay. Let's try to load her up with some different ammo this time. All right, folks, I've got some of this Federal Punch here. Let's give that a shot. All right, folks, this is the Federal Punch. I did not tap this one. So all of you believing that you have to tap the back of it to get them to work, we'll see. Definitely hitting better with these. Wow, much better. Okay, that was the Federal Punch, no problems. I have to say that Federal Punch, way more accurate. At least for me, I wasn't changing my my point of aim, and I got right on target with that. So maybe there's something to it. 15 rounds of Stingers. Let's try these and see how they do. Okay, Stingers, 15 rounds. Let's see how we do. Okay. Accuracy, I think on those stingers, good, better than CCI mini mags. Not quite as good as the Federal Punch, though. That Federal Punch is really, really nice. Taking a look at the magazine, still looks really good shape. Again, haven't had any disruptions. All right, I thought we'd try some more CCI mini mags, but we'll try it with my suppressor. Okay, one last test. This is 15 rounds of CCI mini mags, and this is the Glock 44 with sounds to the function of the magazine, but let's give it a shot. Drop the mag again. All right. Other than getting a bit of spray back in my face, I really didn't seem to notice a lot of difference. It definitely was quieter. There she is. Here's a closer look. And again, seems to be one more test for the day for these 15 round Glock 44 mags. I have some snap caps loaded up in here. We're going to test this. We're going to do some drop testing, see if the rounds fall out. And we're going to drop them from about shooting height. So it looks pretty good. Let's do a few. Let's drop it base first. All right, and then let's drop feed lips first. Pretty good. No issues there. And let's drop lengthwise. Point. Not sure how much other testing I can do with these magazines. I think they're pretty solid. Let's go back to the bench to wrap this one up. All right, fellow nerds, we are back at the bench. So just want to wrap things up here. First off, someone did ask me, I thought this was an odd question, but they asked if the plunger goes down as far on the 15 round magazines. So let's test that out. This is a 10, which has the original black follower. So yes, they do. They go to the end. They go down just as far. So that answers that question. As far as performance, as you can see there on the video, it didn't really have any issues at all. No issues in performance, no hiccups, no failures to feed, no failures to extract, no nothing really. They all performed just fine. And we even used snap caps, dropped the magazine several times, and they did not come out. They did not wiggle. They did not move. They just work. Obviously, I did shoot this quite a bit more than what was on camera. I think I went through a box of that Arms Corps ammo that everyone tells me is so horrible. I had no failures to feed in the entire box with the 15 round magazines, and used some of the 10 round magazines I had, and really had no issue at all. The Glock 44 is a solid platform. I know there were hiccups when it came out. I had some on my channel. Those are solved. I would say at this point, this is a solid platform. It's done. They have the right size magazines. You can get them with a threaded barrel. I can't say really anything more about it. And as I have said many, many times, if you have a Glock 19, this I think is really an essential platform piece that you have to properly train, because it is the exact same size, configuration, and now same amount of rounds. So you can practice fully with the 22 variant. I think that's really important. I believe they are selling the Glock 44s now with the threaded barrel. I don't know if they're going to start selling them with 15 round mags. I don't know why they wouldn't, but Glock's going to Glock. That they're going to do what they do. So anyways, folks, again, if you have a Glock 44, I would get some. That's about all I can say. So if you have any other questions, if you have any other testing or anything you would like me to do, make a pinned comment down below. Please respond to that. Let me know that you made it to the end of the video. Let me know if you have any other ideas or what else I could do with this to possibly screw it up. I've used terrible ammo in it. I've used good ammo in it. Not much more to do. But thank you again for everyone for joining us here today. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're on a mobile device and you see the hype button, hit that as well. And make sure to hit that bell notification so you can see when all of our videos drop. Folks, thanks again for coming here today. This is Tack Nerd signing out.